Hi, welcome to the We Are Researching YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to share a story on Instagram app step by step. First, go to Instagram app on your phone. Here you can see the home screen. Tap on plus icon in the top on story and select the post you want to share. Before you share it, you can add a text, adjust the size of it, or add a filter. To add a music for your story, tap on the icon marked with red. You can search any music you want by tapping on Search Music section. You can show the lyrics of the music if you want. If you want to add link for your story, tap on the icon marked with red again. Tap on Link icon. You can add a link of a website by writing on the blank. Tap on Gift icon. You can search for a gift and tap on it. Then you can adjust the position and size of the gift for your story. After your adjustments are complete, then tap on Share button. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want videos like this to come, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and click the bell for new videos.